All right, we got it all set up. Got the hose filling this up. You got this pipe in the middle right here. It comes up from the bottom and it takes all the solids off the bottom. You got a skimmer on top. That'll go into this settling tank. This is where all the poop and stuff's gonna end up going. It overflows and then it goes into this tank. This is gonna be the sump. And then after the sump gets all situated, we're gonna have the pump will be in there, and so will their biomedia. And then we're gonna have biomedia in that right there. The pump will pump that water up to this white bucket, and then that bucket's gonna waterfall back into this tank. And it's gonna have biomedia and aeration in there, and that's what's gonna have the bacteria that takes the ammonia out of the water. Tight, compact system, and it's working good. So now we just gotta figure out what size pump we're gonna use to get this out of here. I think the whole thing's gonna be, I think those are 250, right? On those IBC totes are like 250, and we're talking about another 100 gallons, so 354. 350. Yeah, about 400 gallons. So you want to turn it over at least twice an hour, so we'll probably have to get an 800 gallon per minute or per hour pump. Anyways, we're cooking with Crisco. We got fish coming. I gotta go pick them up either, what is tomorrow, Thursday? Yeah, Thursday or Friday, tomorrow or the next day. So might be able to pull them off tomorrow. It depends on what my water temperature is gonna be. We should be good. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna build a little building around this, so that way it'll be just a continuation off of this other hatchery. And so we just expanded it. We're gonna be able to put a lot of fish in there. Anyways, hopefully everybody's having a good day and be blessed.